Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Simi Kemza James. So today we are going to be doing a more technical video. So for our new subscribers, do not be afraid. It's totally simple. For the old ones, you're welcome. Everyone is welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use this. This is a bias binder or bias maker for a bias maker foot for an industrial sewing machine. We have those for tabletop sewing machine. So when you go to buy this, you can actually ask according to your machine specification. And then we also have the ones for manual domestic sewing machines. So I'm going to be showing you how to fix this because it's a little bit difficult, but it's not something you can't do, except if of course you don't have physical strength, which I know you do. So this bias maker came with this. It came with this is like a teeth to this machine here, so you have to change the one on the machine there. It came with this foot, so you can see, and then it came with this attachment. So the attachment is coming together with the plate on the machine, this plate over here. So you're going to change basically this entire body. You're changing the plate, you're changing the foot. You see this foot, you're going to be changing it, and then the teeth inside there, you'll be changing it. So first things first, make sure your machine is totally off, and if possible disconnected to any form of electricity for safety. You take out your needle. So I took out my needle for safety measures. Make sure you do that, please. Then you take out any thread around here or anything that can cause harm, any form of harm to you. Then you use, it's easier to use this bigger screwdriver, the longer one, because if you use this one, if you've never loosed this foot before and you're using this one, it will take quite some time and some energy. So the bigger the screwdriver, the better. So you just put this in and do this. Make sure your foot falls out. You can see I've taken this out. You keep this safe. Then you pick this one that came with your attachments. So you just fix this in like this. Then you tighten. You first tighten it by hand first before you use your screwdriver. So this time around you go clockwise. If you do have any gloves or something that will just ensure extra safety, do ensure to use those measures. So just make sure it's very firm. So that's the second thing to be done. Then you just raise that foot and you take out this plate. So I'm going to use that same screwdriver, the long one. You can use the medium one, but to be stressful, so I'm just going to be loosening these nuts, unscrew them. Just continue by hand. Just keep this safe so your screws don't get missing. So that you take out the plate. If you've been using this machine, this beneath this plate you would see all this dust and dirt on it. So you can just get a brush, or you just carefully do that by hand like I'm doing. Take them out. Any dirt that is there, you just wipe it off. Then you open this side here, you just wipe it off. Then you see these nuts here, I'm going to be losing them also. The one that holds this, the is called foot teeth, or that's what they call that point. So you just lose it. So you use the middle size, I mean the medium size of the screwdriver. This one cannot lose that, so use the medium size to lose it. To be a little hard from the beginning, but you just have to do it. Just check if you can still do that by hand. So after unscrewing it, you take this out, then you keep it somewhere safe also. Then you bring this one that came with your attachments, you fix that, put that over, then you start screwing back. Make sure your screw doesn't fall inside your machine, so you have to be as careful as possible. So you just start screwing by hand. Bring the second one, you screw by hand. Then you tighten it. You bring your medium screwdriver and then you begin to tighten that. Make sure it's nice and tight. So we have it all nice and tight. So now you're going to you keep these plates that you remove. So that's like step 2 done. So you're bringing these plates that we took out, the one that comes with the attachment. Make sure it fits. Then you begin to screw it also. That's like the last step. So when you're done tightening it, you can cover this place. Then you fix back your needle. So I'm just going to go ahead and fix my needle back.